She comes home like here, like I think once a week. She flies home or something. Yes, yes. So it's just him, and then he comes by. She was here Wednesday.
How do you get in December garage?
Oh, it's right here. I know the sweetheart. Do you have the key for the other garage? Yes. And there's a door right here. Yes, yes. That you can step, from the back to the front door. Push, push, push. I know. Okay, right there.